Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Come on. Yes, good boy. Hi, good boy. Hi. Yes, good boy. Koda. Yes, good boy. Koda, come. Yes, good boy. Koda, come. Good boy. Off. Sit. Oh, good boy. Koda, sit. Koda, sit. Koda, sit. 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 Good boy. Down. Down. Koda, down. 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 Place. 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 Koda, place. Place. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Come on, boy. Yes, again, good boy. Good boy. Heel. 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 Koda, heel. Heel. Koda, heel. 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 Alrighty, so we've got a lot of work to do. Go ahead and follow along with our 2-week progress.
Yep.
Koda, heel. Down.
Isn't that great for you? Sit. 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 Sit.
Oh, what? Alright, sit. Alright, sit. Sit.
The attitude.
Place. Koda, place. Place. Go to place. Place.
There's so much attitude coming from this dog right now. Like, come on, Mom. I thought we were cool. Like, I thought we were getting out of here.
Come.
Stand up straight. Okay. Walk away.
Good sit. Stay.
No. Stay's gone from the vocabulary. Good sit.
Good sit.
The good sit comes after the pet. There you go. Walk away. And then if you want to break him.
Place. Can you break from place?
Yeah, you can break from any of the commands.
Place.
Like, okay.
Koda. Break.
More
Koda.
excited. More
Koda.
excited. So vibration?
Koda.
The vibration.
Come here. Break.
So not come here, it's break. So
Break.
lots of love.
What are you staring at?